Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with Avon, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning. So welcome in. Say hello. Oh my gosh. Say hello whenever you get in. Oh, I like this one. James Brown. Ooh. And let me know that you're here, and then we will get started. I hope that you guys are having a great day. Oh yes. Number one. These things are so fun. They're always so cool. Okay, let me turn the mask off. It's funny. Okay, so I can see your comments. We're already done our morning skincare regimen. I've actually already been working around the house and doing stuff this morning, but I need to put my makeup on. So I used my morning skincare, which is my Dual Elixir and my Skin Invincible Day Cream and my Deep Huffing Eye Serum. Bam. And last night I did a mask. Let me show you. Well, I did a Perfection mask. I think it's a post here in the group. Oh my gosh, my face felt so moisturized this morning because after you take it off, you rub the serum in your skin, and then I went to sleep. So it felt amazing. And so I can already tell that my skin looks like it's glowing a little bit more today. Yes, glowing is winning. We want to have a little bit of bounce in our skin. So I've already done my primer, because I'm using my FaceShop primer, ink lasting, and that helps to hold your makeup longer. It also helps to fill in pores and crevices and cracks. And then we're going to hop right in with our Magix wand in the shade Marshmallow, Mellow Yellow. I don't know why I'm in a singing mood this morning. The last couple of days I did a downward triangle. So do you guys have huge plans for this week? What are you planning on accomplishing? Lots of things to get done around here, of course, with kids and work and everything else. Lots of things to get done. I have 8 new people that has joined me in the Avon business, which is super exciting. And so I've got lots of mentoring and coaching to get done. Love having new representatives and tenured representatives that are with me that do amazing things. So with that concealer, I just put it in and then just kind of patted it around. There we go. Okay, now we're going to use our ink lasting cushion foundation in the shade Porcelain. Love this stuff. I know I brag about it every morning. If you haven't gotten it yet, why not? Send me a private message and let me do a color match for you. So if you're just tuning in, you guys share this video so that other people can get ready with us too. Okay. So once you put it in a couple of places, you can see, I just want you guys to notice the redness, a little bit of redness around my nose. And once I do a good cover of this foundation, that redness will seem to disappear. That's one of my favorite things about a medium to full coverage. It really helps to conceal those problem areas, like redness or dark spots, things like that that may bother you about your skin. If you want to conceal them. If you don't, that's okay too. Nobody's telling you you got to do nothing. You are free and able to do whatever makes your little heart happy. Okay. I think we are covered. Yes. Yes, we are. May do a little bit more on my neck here, so I don't want any makeup lines, but this color actually matches me pretty well, so I haven't had the problem of any makeup lines. We're going to go in now with our brow brush. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. And our dark brown Glimmer Stick eyebrow pencil. And I'm just going to line out a small little box here. And then I'm going to fill it in. The cool thing about this Glimmer Stick Eye Pencil is, I think I said it the other day when I did my video, it actually kind of looks like a microblade. So it just kind of goes in and fills in like little lashes, which I love. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Can you already see a difference? This one has it on, this one doesn't. I mean, it's just a subtle difference. It doesn't have to be, you know, a huge difference. For me, it just gives me more confidence because it's filling in those spots that I have that I'm hairless. There we go. Yay. All right. So we've got that done. And then next we're going to do our loose powder, translucent loose powder, just to seal it all in. So anyway, I have new team members. So I've got coaching and mentoring to do this week. I have a couple orders I still have to get out to customers. And then I have to pack because I'm going to Orlando, Florida this weekend for a top leader summit for top leaders with Avon. And we're going to get to stay at the Ritz-Carlton. Woo! They're putting us up at the Ritz-Carlton. So, oh, that was pretty fancy. The only sad part is it's going to be business meetings the whole time. And we don't get to go see Mickey Mouse. So I'm hoping maybe they bring him to the hotel. That would be cool. I would love that. Okay, for eyeshadow today, we are going to use the Mono Pop in the shade Mood Brown. And we are going to start. I'm going to put some of this color up here. And just kind of go at the top. It's got a little bit of sparkle in it. So how far in advance do you pack? That's always a good question. I'm typically a pack the night before I leave person. And it's kind of weird why I do that because I've had to cancel trips in the past because maybe something came up with the boys or, you know, they weren't 100% or something like that. And so I tend to not try to plan too far ahead because I don't want to, you know, jinx it. Okay, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to pick up these two darker colors. I'm going to work my crease. Crease it out, baby. Crease it out. So how far in advance do you plan for your trips? That's a pretty good question. Typically, to me, about a week out. I've still got to take a couple of things to the cleaners to be pressed. And then should be able to pack. My biggest problem with packing is that I like to take lots of shoes and I don't end up wearing them all. And then like when we went to New Orleans last year for our conference, I ended up forgetting to pack my tennis shoes, which was the thing I needed the most. It was crazy. All right, then we're going to pick up this brown down here in the bottom. I'm going to do a little bit right here. Just kind of blend in where that crease is. And this is to kind of give it a 3-dimension look. So I've got the lighter on top, got the darker on the crease, and then I went a little bit lighter on that bottom, which kind of gives it a 3-dimension look. What do you think? Is this a look you could rock? It's super simple to do, which is my favorite part. I'm going to go back over this lighter color here. I'm going to just do a little bit right here in this crease of my eye. And you can even use that color if you wanted to blend just a little bit. And put a little bit of extra glimmer, shimmer. There you go. I like it. I think it's looking good, looking good. Okay, next we're going to use our liquid eyeliner in black. I'm a black girl, not ever been a brown eyeliner girl. I don't know why. I tried green once. It was beautiful. Just didn't feel like it made my eyes pop the way that black does. This is going on really smooth this morning. Now, as soon as I say that on this eye, the other eye won't go on as smooth. Yay, it did. Okay, now we're going to do the top part. Y'all ready? The other cool thing I love about the liquid liner is you can make that line as thick and heavy as you want, or just a light, because the tip, it has a little bitty tip. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, has a little bitty tip, and so you could do a really light tip, light line, or if you wanted to, you could hold it down a little bit further, and you could do a little bit of a thicker line on your lash line. Lash line. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, we are going to curl. Maybe. There we go. Now, my favorite Love Mascara. I'm going to use this with these little heart-shaped fibers that are going to attach to my lashes. It's going to make them longer, fuller, and really just give you some volume on your lashes. There we go. When I'm done, when I'm not, can you tell a difference? I can actually use this wand to curl up my lashes just a little bit more. What do you think? Do you need to try the Love Mascara? The coolest thing is, I believe it started today. I'll have to go back and check on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. There is an incredible deal where you can get the lash serum and the Love Mascara, both of them for $30. And that lash serum is like a $30 lash serum. I mean, $60. It's a $60 lash serum. So I think that combo is active right now. I'll check it out, and if it is, I'll share it in the group. These two together for $30. This serum is $60 all by itself. It's good stuff. It's the reason that my lashes have came back after having thyroid issues. And, you know, some of us got to help the brows grow a little bit. We got to help the lashes grow a little bit. And this serum is what you're going to need for that. So if you've ever been wanting to try it in the past, now is going to be the absolute time to do it, because that deal is not going to stay around for long. I'm going to use my Moisture Cushion blush in Coral. And you just do the same thing with the Ruby So Puff. You just boop, pick up just a dab, like so. Just going to tap it on my face. Like so. Gives you just a little kiss of color. It's almost like a watercolor, which is my favorite part. And then I'm going to use my Moisture Cushion highlighter to do just a little bit of extra highlight. Let me see here. Maybe. Just do a little push. Boop. And it picks up just a little bit. I'm going to do that on the top part of my cheekbone. And that just picks up a little bit of shimmer in the light. And it just gives you a little bit of extra glow. Sometimes we need a little bit of extra glow, right, girls and boys? Okay, today let's use our 2-in-1 lip tattoo. We're going to use this in the shade Misunderstood. No, I don't want to do that one. Let's do this one, Rebel Raspberry. So it's got a liner. It's a beautiful color. And the cool thing is the other side is your filler, so it's a little bit thicker. And the awesome thing about this 2-in-1 lip tattoo is this stuff will last all day long. I like it. I think it turned out okay. All right. What do you think? Finished look? Looks goofy. What do you think? Okay, let me show you the eyes. Yes, I think it works. Okay, guys. Well, if you want to shop for any of these products that we use today, you can do that at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And if you don't pick up anything but these two products, these are going to be your two go-to products for campaign 4. The lash serum and the mascara, 2 for $30. That is a huge, huge bargain. So you need those two things. And then while you're at it and you're taking care of your eyes, do the Monopop. This is a palette everyone can use. It's got beautiful colors in it. So if you like this video, share it. Somebody else may like these makeup tips. They may be helpful for them to get confidence to be able to do their makeup. And I appreciate your support. I'm so thankful for every one of you guys. And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure and click the bell so you'll get notifications when new videos are uploaded. And if you're on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, be sure you like our page so that you will get new notifications. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I hope you have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.